Ako, di na nagpapaiwan si Colin. Humataw na kagad. And Ronald overtakes Romel. Ronald currently in number 3 position. Reigns at number 2 with Colin in the lead. Oh, and there's Romel overtaking Ronald. Wala nang bigayan to. Mainit ang laban. Mainit. Nako, nangulungan na mo. Kapitan Reigns in the lead. Kapitan is in the lead. Followed by Romel number 2. Ronald dropping to number 4. At sila po ang mga two-wheel drive na mamasyal. Kampante sa kanilang lamang. Okay, wala pong bonus points ang tumbling. Kaya relax lang. And still Kaloy, overall race lead. Kaloy followed by Brian Lee. And third is Kapitan Reigns, followed by Romel, Colin, Ronald, and Erwin. Only 6 minutes. This race is only for 6 minutes. Reigns still in the lead. Followed by Romel and Colin. This is number 3. And there's Ronald. There's Ronald. Ronald is our new number 3. Ronald is number 3. Colin is stuck in the fence at number 4. Erwin at number 5. Erwin, kung bumibitawan yung throttle para hindi siya mag-load. Romel overtaking Reigns there for number 3 overall. Okay, pagtawid pag nalampasan ni Romel si Brian, he will be less than 1 lap down na lang. He will be less than 1 lap down. Naku, ano nangyari kay Erwin? Namatay kay Erwin, pakicheck yung switch. Naku, kay Ronald, patay! 1-0! 1-0 na po! 1 point for Romel! I can smell the chicken! I can smell the chicken! Pakitulak na. Bago yan, pakitulak. And there's Romel overtaking Kaloy now. Romel is now less than a lap down from Mr. Kaloy. With 3 minutes to go, half of the race remaining. Just half of the race remaining. And there we go. Reigns with an accident there, trying to overtake Mr. Kaloy to recover the missing lap. And there we go. Na-stuck pa si Kaloy. Na-stuck pa si Kaloy. Okay, Kaloy recovers. But Reigns is also less than 1 lap down now. Reigns is also less than 1 lap down. It's still Kaloy number 1, Brian number 2, Romel number 3, Reigns number 4. Ala! Tumaog! Tumaog! Oy, para na ta. Alright, Ronald back in action with 2 minutes to go. Still Kaloy in the lead, still Kaloy in the lead, but Romel is doing his best to catch Mr. Kaloy. Reigns is still at number 4. Oh! Tumbling! Plus 2 points, Mr. Ronald. Hindi lang si points lang. Ay. Ronald, you and Ana! Ronald and Erwin are on the same lap. Ronald and Erwin on the same lap. And there we go. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Frame pen.
Okay, galing mo kay Ronald ah. Bigla natin, baliktad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wala. It's the Christmas tree format. That's what they do in the world. Sa mga big events. You run qualifying. If you run very well there, you go straight to the semifinals na. If you don't run well, you have to run a quarterfinal. And only the top half will make it into the semifinal. Oh, it depends. No. Everybody that doesn't make it into the semis will be divided in 2 or 3 groups sa quarterfinals. Tapos, the top 50% will go to the semis. The rest, wala na. Yeah, the whole day. Yeah. Alright. Oh, sorry. Race is over. Kaloy is number 1. Followed by Romel number 2. All the other cars finish your lap. Si Ronald, finish your lap. Joke lang, finish ka. Number 6 ka. Okay.
Longest count?
Wala.
Ilang laps yun? 9?
Hindi, plus 1 lap sila Kaloy.
Kaya.
Oo, plus 1 lap sila Kaloy. Nung in-overtake mo siya, binawi mo lang yung 1 lap niya. Oo.
So, si Romel tapos ako.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, konting pulido pa sa driving na, konting pulido.